6 Negative effects of gambling on a person living with schizophrenia. Gambling is considered to be harmless fun to many people. But not many people know that it can have negative impacts on their lives. The harmful consequences of gambling can be dangerous to a person living with schizophrenia. If you are a person living with schizophrenia on your journey to recovery, you need to avoid anything that can negatively impact your chances of a quick recovery. Why is gambling bad for a person living with schizophrenia? Number 1. Adverse mental health disorders. Gambling is highly addictive and results in excessive mixed-up feelings which can worsen the current mental condition of a person suffering from schizophrenia. Number 2. Financial crisis. Compulsive gambling can exhaust an individual's finances. Due to the addiction, the person spends every single penny to go betting or play online games. For a person living with schizophrenia, the situation can worsen because he is already spending extra on health care, especially if he doesn't have full insurance coverage. Number 3. Relationship issues. Overcoming gambling addiction can be overwhelming for a person living with schizophrenia. Building healthy relationships is a very important aspect of the recovery journey. Online gaming and gambling may have an adverse impact on an individual's relationship with his family members. Relationship crisis leads to loneliness and depression, worsening symptoms of the mental illness. Number 4. Co-occurring psychiatric disorders. A person with a coexisting mental issue who is addicted to online gaming has higher risks of impaired overall mental health. Such an individual may take longer than usual to have the symptoms managed. Number 5. Imprisonment. To meet up with the ever-increasing financial requirements of gambling, most gamblers engage in criminal issues. In the case of a person suffering from schizophrenia with symptoms of depression, hallucinations, and delusions, impaired judgment is not an unusual thing. The individual is likely to engage in unlawful behaviors and become arrested. He may spend years in prison or in a mental institution for his actions. Number 6. Sociality. Gambling and online gaming may be exciting when an individual is at the winning end. But with excessive gambling comes losses. This may lead to suicide attempts. Studies have shown that persons living with schizophrenia have a higher risk of attempting to commit suicide. Is there help? Raising awareness of the negative effects of gambling and online gaming can help save lives. If you are living with schizophrenia and you are an excessive gambler, seek help immediately. Mental health experts can help you overcome that addiction as you focus on your journey to recovery. Don't wait for tomorrow, the best time to ask for help is now. Please subscribe and share this article if you found it interesting, thanks.